Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cute webhooks. First, understand that webhooks are automated messages sent from apps when an event occurs. To make them cute, we focus on presentation and tone. This involves crafting messages that are not only informative but also delightful, using visual cues and a friendly voice. We'll explore how to transform standard notifications into something truly engaging for your users. Designing the cute factor involves several key elements. Start by selecting a palette of emojis that align with your message and brand, perhaps 3 to 5 distinct ones. Next, incorporate custom avatars or icons, which can be as simple as a small, friendly character or your brand's logo. Most importantly, write your messages with a warm, conversational tone, avoiding jargon. Think about how a friendly assistant would deliver the news. Implementing your cute webhook begins with choosing the right platform such as Discord or Slack, which offer robust customization. You'll construct a JSON payload, which is essentially the blueprint for your message. This payload will include your friendly text, any rich embeds for visual flair, and the URL for your custom avatar. Then, use a programming language like Python or Node.js to send an HTTP post request to the webhook URL, delivering your adorable notification. Testing is crucial to ensure your cute webhook performs as expected. Send numerous test messages, checking for correct formatting, emoji display, and avatar loading across different devices. Actively seek user feedback. A simple survey can reveal if your messages are truly perceived as cute and helpful. Monitor delivery rates and response times to catch any issues. Remember, cuteness can evolve, so be prepared to iterate and refine your webhook's charm over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.